Clorox on the daily chart. For a long time, we've been trading with a series of lower highs and lower lows, currently trading below this 200 moving average on the daily. Now we are finding some strength back to the upside with a series of higher lows. What I need is price to break up above this 200 moving average on the daily chart, get back up above this trend line, pull them back with a series of higher highs and higher lows, and continue the uptrend. Now if this starts to exhibit this behavior here, I will be very interested in Clorox. Now we may trade back farther down to the downside. Just got to be patient with this chart until price finds strength back to the upside. Look at the fundamentals. 2021, 7.3 billion. 2022, 7.1 billion. 2023, 7.3 billion. We do have that steady top line revenue. The company is profitable. This is in the consumer staples category. They have a lot of products in the disinfectant, soaps, different cleaning agents. Now looking a little bit deeper, they also have products in the supplement niche and even skincare. Right now there's nothing to be done on this chart until price starts to exhibit this behavior here. Of course, none of this financial advice. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.